Hi everyone, I'm Kaliko. Today I'm going to share you guys how to DIY a Ziplock bag into a mini dumpling bag. First of all, we'll need a rectangular Ziplock bag. Here are the materials and the tools that we will need. We will need to trim the adhesive plastic at the opening of the zipper and make it straight and neat. Trim the strap edges round. We will need to trim the Ziplock bag into a square shape by cutting at the end of the bag to make it shorter. Usually food packaging Ziplock bag will have a thick plastic border around them. We will need to trim it narrower on the left and the right, make it roughly with a width of 4 mm. We will need to fold the bag like a shape of a dumpling. Then we will need to seal the end of the bag by sewing it. I'm using a blanket stitch method, which is a common stitch to sew thick fabric like felt. However, the reason I use it here is to make sure the plastic will not flit open, and also make it flat. Make sure to make a secure knot at the end of the stitch. Now we need to add on wadding. Place the bag on the wadding. Measure the size we need and mark with a fabric pencil. I bought this wadding sheet from Daiso. The material is a bit thinner, so I have to put 2 layers. Then we will wrap the bag with the wadding sheet. After wrapping it, we will need to cut the fabric. Before we cut the fabric, we will need to measure the size of the bag. Measure the length around the opening of the bag, which will be the length of the fabric. Then measure the height of the bag, which will be the width of the fabric. Remember to measure when the bag is with the wadding. We will draw the measurement on the back side of the fabric. You can wrap the bag with the fabric to double check the measurements. After marking, we will need to leave additional 1 to 1.5 cm fabric outside of the marking line. Remember to cut with the additional measurements. Fold the fabric into half and make sure the real part is facing out. Secure both sides of the fabric sheets with pin needles. I choose thread that has the closest color to the fabric. We'll make a straight stitch on the marking line. I use a common straight stitch method to sew the fabric together. We will need to sew an L shape like this. Leave one side with an opening and flip the fabric over. Next, we'll need to flatten the ziplock bag and carefully place it into the fabric bag. It will be a bit difficult to place the ziplock bag in with the wadding, so we have to be careful when placing it. Make sure the wadding is placed evenly inside. Fold the adhesive fabric inside and arrange it look like this. The fabric bag has to be moved out a bit around 1 to 3 mm from the ziplock bag. Next, we'll need to sew to attach the fabric bag and ziplock bag together. I'm going to use a gray colored thread, which is a color much closer to the inner of the ziplock bag. I'm using a whip stitch method to sew this part. I had sewn both sides, but I didn't sew it completely. I'm leaving one of the edge open because I need to sew a strip handle onto it. Roughly measure the length of the strap that we're going to make. I'll need to make a strap that has the width of 1 cm and the length of 33 cm. To make that, we'll need a fabric with the size of 33 cm length and 4 cm width. I mark it in the red line is the part that I'm going to cut. Whereas the white line is the part that I will need to fold. After cutting the clothes, we'll need to fold and iron it. Be careful on this part because it's going to be hot. Then we'll need to sew the strap. It will look like this after sewing it, then we'll need to iron it. Place the strap between the fabric bag and the Ziplock bag. Sew the strap onto the Ziplock bag. Be careful when you sew this part because the material is a bit thicker. So don't accidentally poke your fingers. Sew a sturdy stitch like this. After that, we'll finish up the part that we haven't sewn. Here you go, a cute dumpling bag. I'm using a thicker material Ziplock bag, which will make the structure of the bag firm and solid. Thanks for watching and hope we will meet again. Bye!